Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A steam cleaning machine is a versatile and eco-friendly cleaning tool that uses high-temperature steam to sanitize and clean various surfaces. Unlike traditional cleaning methods, steam cleaners work without the need for harsh chemicals, relying solely on the power of heated water to dissolve dirt, grime, grease, and stains. This makes them ideal for deep cleaning tasks such as floors, carpets, upholstery, and even kitchen appliances. Steam cleaning machines are also effective in killing germs, bacteria, and allergens, making them a popular choice for maintaining a healthier home environment. Whether for everyday cleaning or heavy-duty tasks, steam cleaners provide a convenient and efficient solution. Number 5. Balashov 801-1000W Steam Cleaning Machine. The Balashov 801-1000W Steam Cleaning Machine is a versatile handheld steamer designed for various cleaning tasks around the home. This compact and efficient device boasts a power range of 801 to 1000 W, making it suitable for deep cleaning and tackling stubborn dirt in a variety of environments. The Balashov 801-1000W steam cleaning machine is a solid choice for those looking for an affordable portable steam cleaner that can handle a range of cleaning tasks around the home. While it may require frequent water refills and lacks adjustable settings, its powerful steam output and chemical-free operation make it a convenient and eco-friendly solution for everyday cleaning. Number 4. Balashov 1401-1600W Steam Cleaning Machine. The Balashov 1401-1600W Steam Cleaning Machine is a versatile and powerful handheld device designed to meet a wide range of cleaning needs. With its power range of 1401 to 1600 watts, it delivers sufficient steam pressure to tackle various surfaces, making it ideal for home cleaning tasks, as well as automobile interiors. The Balashov 1401-1600W Steam Cleaning Machine is a solid choice for individuals looking for a powerful yet portable steam cleaner for household or automobile cleaning. Its efficient chemical-free cleaning makes it a great investment for maintaining hygiene in a safe and eco-friendly way. While it may not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks, it excels in precision cleaning jobs. Number 3. Woyo 1401-1600W Steam Cleaning Machine. One of the standout features is that the Woyo steam cleaner offers high-concern chemical-free cleaning. This makes it an ideal option for those who prefer to avoid using harsh cleaning chemicals, whether due to environmental concerns or to avoid potential health issues. The Woyo 1401-1600W Steam Cleaning Machine is a highly capable cleaning tool for those who need efficient chemical-free cleaning. It's well-suited for users seeking strong performance and versatility from household tasks to more demanding industrial cleaning jobs. While its higher power draw might be a factor to consider, its effectiveness and eco-friendly design make it a valuable cleaning device. Number 2. Balashov CNTA3000WA Steam Cleaning Machine. The Balashov CNTA3000WA Steam Cleaning Machine is a robust and versatile tool designed for efficient cleaning across various surfaces. Here's an in-depth review of its features, performance, and suitability for different applications. The Balashov CNTA3000WA Steam Cleaning Machine stands out as a powerful and versatile cleaning solution for both residential and commercial use. With its robust construction, advanced steam generation capabilities, and versatile functions, it proves effective across a wide range of cleaning tasks. Whether you're tackling grease in the kitchen or disinfecting bathroom surfaces, this steam cleaner offers efficiency, reliability, and ease of use. Number 1. Susweetlife S02 Steam Cleaning Machine. The S02 boasts a compact design with dimensions of 425 x 230 x 185 mm, making it easy to store and transport. The machine is built with durability in mind, and the included 3-meter steam pipe allows for flexible reach during cleaning tasks. Its water inlet pipe measures 1.5 meters, adding to the convenience by minimizing the need for constant refilling during extended cleaning sessions. The Susweetlife S02 Steam Cleaning Machine offers a powerful, effective, and user-friendly solution for all your cleaning needs. With its high steam output, dual voltage options, and robust design, it stands out as a reliable choice for both home and professional use. Whether you're looking to eliminate stubborn stains or sanitize surfaces, the S02 is up to the task, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a high-quality steam cleaner. Thanks for watching this video.